plumbing problems stressing you out? Don't worry, we've got you covered. At Beyond Wow Plumbing, we're more than plumbers. We're experts at exceeding expectations. For over 40 years, homeowners have trusted us to deliver fast, reliable service and a customer experience that is out of this world. Our friendly, licensed technicians arrive on time, respect your space, and use advanced tools and techniques to ensure the job is done right the first time. The best part? You'll be saying wow long before we're done. Because at Beyond Wow, it's about more than just the fix. It's about your peace of mind and the smile that comes with it. Beyond Wow Plumbing. Service that's light years ahead.